In this video, we're going to go through how to edit the prize giveaway template. There's a lot of different prize giveaway templates. I'm going to show you style 2 opt-in for this one. When you go inside of your actual zip file that you're going to download, you're going to have different styles. You're going to have instructions, PDF. Some styles will allow you to use buttons if you know how to configure those. Some styles will allow you to just use opt-in codes. What I just use for simply all mine is I just go to Aweber, build a simple form. I remove the name field. I remove all the extra stuff in it. And then I get a photo of what I'm going to give away. And I've got everything I need then to build these pages. Okay, so let's take a look at the instructions. All right. Basic instructions. First, I want to show you actually what we can change. It's win a free, and you can change that if you want, but that's what we always use. Win a free item name, all right? Replace with the image of the item, enter to win, and then you're going to put your opt-in code right here, okay? So if you go to this actual file right here, it gives you the basics of this. So there's different ones. You can choose from a lot of different backgrounds. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've actually, I think, got 8 backgrounds in here, but the one I was showing you is the one that I like the most because I've proven it to convert very, very high. Not saying other ones don't convert very high. You want to split test them, you go ahead and split test them, do whatever you want. Well, I like certain ones, and that's the actual style 2 that I'm showing you. All right? So basically, all you need to change is, here's where you change the prize name. It says win a free, sample prize here. Okay? Win a free, sample prize here. So if you go into the actual code, and I'll show you that in a second, you're going to change just this simple thing that says to Pitbull t-shirt or whatever the name of the item is. And then you take a photo. If it's on Teespring, you just go grab the Teespring photo or wherever your photo is of your image, and you upload it into the images folder. Okay, so I'm style 2 opt-in, images. I don't actually have one in this one to show you, but you upload it into the images folder. All right, then note the name of it. Maybe it's a JPG, maybe it's a PNG, but note the name of it. Then you're going to go in where this line of code is right here, and you're going to change the name inside of that to match where the path is of that images folder. Okay? Then you're going to have the name of the item changed. You're going to have the actual photo of the item changed. As long as you put it in that folder, then it'll work right. It'll resize to fit perfectly in there, so hopefully you can get a bigger photo. It'll resize to 500 by 500 for you. Okay? Then, if you want to change the backgrounds, this is more from style 1, okay? Maybe in style 2 as well, but the backgrounds will allow you to change all those different ones out. Basically, they're numbered inside of the images folder from 1 through 8. So like I said, we had 8 options. All you gotta do is change that number, and it will correspond with that background, and it will change it up for you when you save it, all right? You can also make new backgrounds, but I don't know all the image sizing, and that's too technical for this video. Replacing the button, adding links. If you're doing a button, you do it a certain way, but this is the way that I do it. It's just the opt-in code. So it's simply going into Aweber, and I'm not going to show you how to do this video. If you're training somebody, that's fine. But all you have to do is get the JavaScript normal code after you're done making a web form inside of Aweber, and then bring it in here and paste it where it says paste opt-in code below, and it'll work. There's technical ways to adjust it, but it's worked for me pretty much every time without having to edit anything else. So you go through those lines of code, you make simple little adjustments, and you should have everything in there. So I'm going to show you where they're at in the code. And hopefully this video will give you enough. I go to the actual code, or to the page, I right-click and view source. I select all, I copy it, I bring it to a text editor, I open a new file. If there's any formatting in a text editor, you make it plain, and paste it all in there. Okay, so I'll start from the top. You scroll down, and it says win a free, and then sample prize here. Okay, the sample prize here is going to say Pitbull T. Okay, then you go down here, images / placeholder.jpg. It'd be images / p for t .png, or whatever the name of my actual image that I put in the images folder. That's what needs to be placed right here. Okay, you're going to edit that. Leave this the same, leave this the same, don't change any of that. And then it says paste opt-in code below. So you literally go right there, and you go over to Aweber where it says publish. I'll show you one right now. Here's where it says publish. You click that. And this is after you've made one. I will install my own form. You just grab this JavaScript stuff right here, copy it. It may change a little bit for get response. This is how it works for this. And you paste it right where it says that. And then you save it as index, and then you rename it to index.html with the edits here, edit there, and the paste here, and it should be working. All you have to do is make sure, then set your thank you page up as well, so that you can come back into your autoresponder, your Aweber or wherever, and when you upload everything, it will direct people to the right thank you page once they opt in. But that's where to make the edits, how to make the edits. You just save it as HTML, and then take that actual folder with all the stuff in it, zip it up if you want, but upload it to whatever server you've got your stuff on, wherever you want to upload it to, and then all you got to do is go to the actual website, and it will load up properly. Then you start sending your traffic. Just make sure that your thank you page sets up with the actual autoresponder in here, and you should be good to go. I will show you in another video how to set up the thank you page and the winners pages as well. Hopefully that was enough to get you up on there. If you have any questions, please let me know.